What is up, you guys? It is your boy PrettyBoyFloyd, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what kind of haircut I get, what should you ask the barber, give you guys some inspiration for your next haircut. I'm just going to walk you guys through this haircut video that I made in collaboration with my barber and also a local videographer from the 757. I'll put their Instagram handles in the corner so that you guys can go and follow them. So yeah, without them this video would not be made, and we made a really dope video. So I hope you guys really appreciate the work that we put in. So I always ask my barber for a taper fade, an all-around taper fade. All that means is that the fade connects all the way around the head. So a temple fade is different. A temple fade is just them fading in your sides and the back, and it's not connecting them. If you want an all-around fade, ask for an all-around taper fade. What's easier than asking for a specific name for a fade is just look on Google, look on Pinterest, Instagram, whatever. Look at some inspiration for your next haircut. If you see a haircut on somebody that you like, screenshot it, show it to your barber, say I want something like this, and they'll know what you're talking about instead of just trying to like look for specific names. Communication with your barber is probably the best thing that you can do to avoid any sort of confusion. So I think what makes my haircut stand out is the design on the side of my head. My barber, he does a lot of creative things. He has his own clothing company and a lot of other businesses, and he has the ability to transpose those creative skills into his barbering skills. Every time that I go to him, there's always a different design that he does, and this design right here was probably like his most complex one. He straight up killed this design on the side. So another thing that my barber does is that he'll give me a V-cut. The back of my head looks very sharp. I really like that design. I just remember he started doing that like maybe like the second or third time that I went to him, and it's made a really big difference. Makes my hair look a lot sharper, and small little details like that can make your haircut stand out a lot. I don't know any other barber that does that. I found myself like a really good barber, and I think that's something that you guys should probably invest in, is like going out there, exploring, finding a really good barber, finding a barber that you like, finding a barber that you could talk to, communicate about different hairstyles and communicate about what you want, and a barber that's open to your choice. My barber is very open to like what I want, my choices, and like I said, he's also a very creative guy. So we work together and we just make a really dope haircut. Another thing that I like to do is I like to get my eyebrows done. I used to get my eyebrows done for like $23. He just charges like an extra $7 or $8, something like that, and it looks the same as like if I was to go to the lady that used to do it for like $23. So that's it for this video, you guys. You guys can do me one more favor, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Share this video, screenshot my haircut. Also, I encourage you guys to go out there, explore on the internet, find other people's haircuts, get some ideas flowing with you and your barber, and hopefully you guys can make something dope. As always, hope you guys have a great day. I will catch you guys next time. Peace.